who actually inspired us to be the change, He made us realize the relevance of change. And Mrs. Gail, who always extends her support and makes our students smile. So, on behalf of NSB and the students, I thank you once again, whole of the team, of the professors and the associate members. Thank you very much. We have a guest, Mr. Muralidhar, member of Planning Commission, Karnataka. He's not here, but we'd like to thank him for his wonderful speech, of making us realize, that every student has to dream of becoming success, and giving us advice on going through the speech that was done by Obama. And we are sure, I think we are going to run this speech with the help of Professor A.V. Rao in one of our business news session for our students. I thank Mr. Muralidhar for having given this advice to our students. I would like to thank the Governing Council members, Governing Council Chairman Professor K.V. Raghavaiah, Governing Council Member Dr. Sanjay Saigal, Governing Council Member Dr. Manish Kumar. The kind of energy that we have today, the kind of commitment that we deliver at NSB, it's I can say the sole reason is because we have the strong Governing Council members, the strong Governing Council Chairman who always strive for quality and the results. I thank all the Governing Council members and the Chairman of Governing Council for making this occasion wonderful and driving us forever in the future growth. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, all of you. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. B. Venkatachalam, whom we met very recently, but today, because of his tremendous support, we are proud to say that we are one of the top B schools in terms of having more admissions for Bharatiya University, and it is definitely because of his support to NSB, and look forward to the same support. Thank you very much, sir. Very important, as usual, we have very energetic and enthusiastic Principal Director, Professor Sridhar Murthy SR. I always remember his words in the serious discussions that we have in the conference room, because he only tells his colleagues that you exploit your creativity, I don't want to come in your way. Okay, you only ask me resources and you put those resources in the right way. And if NSB has achieved tremendous milestones, what he explained in his speech today, it's all because of his empowerment that has been given to his colleagues and the opportunity that's been given to explore the creativity. I thank Professor Sridhar Murthy SR, who is always there with us, to support and give us the opportunities to exploit or explore our creativity. Thank you very much, sir. Other Director Programs, Professor H.V. Dinesh Prasad, who is loved by students. One of the best faculty in Bangalore, I can say, in statistics and operation research. And more than anything else, he loves being in the class and discussing subjects with the students. And a very humble man, and has a great contribution towards success of this particular program. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I also would like to thank all the directors of National School of Business, faculty members, team, staff members of National School of Business, because last 15 days or 3 weeks of time, they're putting a lot of efforts to make this event a successful event. And that's the result today. We have a wonderful event. I'd like to thank all the team members of NSB on behalf of NSB as well as this particular occasion. Thank you very much. I would like to extend my special thanks to Invocation team, who extended the wonderful invocation to begin this program, and the committees that participated and made this event as one of the successful events, like hospitality members, technical committee members, stage decoration committee members, requirement committee members, prize distribution members, IMA launching committee members, discipline committee members, and press and publicity committee members. And apart from this, I would like to thank the choreographer, Mr. Shashidhar, who helped us in bringing the best cultural event that we are going to have it in a few minutes from now. And the event management company, who is actually managed by one of our students, Trans Events, Mr. Vinay, Taneshwar, Salim, and Syed. And I would like to thank all our students, passed out students, third sem students, Sem 1 students, BBM first, third and fifth semester students, BCom first and third semester students, BCA first and third semester students, and also students whom we are welcoming today, international MBA students. Without your contribution and the participation, this occasion would have been not so great and wonderful. Thank you very much on behalf of NSB and the committee. The most wonderful committee that's going to perform for next 1.5 hour on this particular stage, that is Cultural Committee. We have more than 10 teams participating on different events. I'm sure you're going to have a wonderful evening today after this event. I'd like to congratulate and thank whole committee members who are giving fashion shows, dance, and many other activities on behalf of NSB and the student community. Thank you very much. So now, a few announcements. After this event, we have a presentation by Regional Director IBM France on the research that was done, what is expected out of B-School students. And after that, we will have cultural event, which has got more than 10 cultural events, then followed by dinner. This is the proceeding of the day after this event. And then a small announcement that tomorrow will be a holiday for all the students and the staff. And day after tomorrow, I expect all the students to attend their sessions as per the schedule. Thank you once again, the whole student community. Now I request all the students to stand up and give a great cheers and claps for all the committees that have worked for this particular event. These claps are for students who have actually worked for this event success. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.